coming to Emory, my first year I was involved in something called the Public Interest Dinner Series, where we had like speakers from, sometimes they were alums, sometimes they were just advocates in the community. Most of the time they were attorneys who spoke about the work that they did, how they got to that path, kind of trying to encourage students to, even in the face of maybe like mounting loans or just the challenges of school, to stick with their initial passion. And I think for me, I also learned in there that I think 40% of people who go to law school don't practice the law. And you start to appreciate that this legal body of knowledge is just a very useful resource, and it doesn't have to be in that traditional sense of I'm going to go work at a firm or the government, et cetera, and write briefs and memos all day, but that you can use it to be an effective advocate or just to pass along clear advice to friends, family, et cetera. I think it's helpful for me that, especially with the joint degrees, that I know I can go and do public health work and be very content with that, and still have this really great legal training in terms of tempering what I feel is like public health idealism with what I know we can practically achieve. But since I know I want to practice law, it's nice to, I've never seen myself in a traditional sense of just kind of like sitting behind a desk and working with people that I don't see and clients that I don't meet. I think that Emory has shown me, because I have classmates who are entering all different aspects of, we'll say, the law and just other careers, that it doesn't have to be this traditional sense that you maybe see on TV when you're coming in, like Law and Order, that it really is this opportunity to, you could do corporate work and be very fulfilled with that, or that you can use this tool as kind of like a social justice advocate to achieve the same interest that you have, and now you just have this extra qualification that allows you to argue about the issues you're most passionate about.